Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your iPad 10th generation. And to do this we'll need to open our App Store. Right here go to the search and try to find Microsoft Edge. It's this app right here. Click on the arrow pointing down in the cloud to download it. When it's ready, hit the open. And right now you can customize your browser. So sign in to turn on synchronization between other Microsoft Edge using devices. I'm gonna do it later. Here you can also enable or disable data sharing preferences. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. So here somewhere you should be able to find it in the apps. And let's try it. Edge default browser app and select Edge. Go back. And from here your browser will be ready. We can open a new website. And as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.